Imagine Earth tomorrow. Without animals, no birds in the sky, no insects in the air, no movement beyond plants and wind. At first, it feels peaceful. No noise, no predators, no fear. But the silence doesn't last. Pollination stops almost instantly. Bees vanish, flowers bloom, but never become fruit. Forests begin to fail from the top down, without insects. Plants lose their partners without animals. Seeds stop traveling. Life becomes trapped in place. Soil collapses next. No worms to turn it. No microbes supported by animal waste. The ground hardens. And crops begin to die. Oceans follow. Without fish, algae spreads uncontrollably. Oxygen levels drop. Dead zones expand. The sea becomes toxic. Then the atmosphere changes. Animals breathe oxygen and return carbon dioxide. Part of a balance older than humanity. Without them, that balance breaks. And finally, humans. We are animals too. No food chains, no ecosystems, no medicine derived from life. Civilization doesn't collapse dramatically. It starves slowly, quietly. Within decades, cities are empty, skyscrapers rust, roads crack. Nature tries to recover, but something essential is missing. Animals were never decoration. They were infrastructure. Earth without animals is not a paradise. It's a planet slowly forgetting how to stay alive.